Well, I did a thing. Courtney might not be too overly thrilled about it, but we got a tractor. Brian thinks that's funny. And round baler to expand operations. So let's get this stuff home and see how that goes. Hooked onto the round baler. That's my cousin Josh pulling that in front of me, and I got the tractor, and we're headed home. So we got a little bit of a trip ahead of us, but well, we managed to get it back here all safe and sound. I got it unchained. Josh and Brian dropped the round baler over there. That's good. We'll pull it where we need to put it, and let's get this offloaded. So before today, this was the largest tractor I had, the old David Brown 990. It's a 50 horse, and it did a good job. But since we wanted to get into round baling, I thought we should step it up. And now, so this is the 77 horsepower Massey Ferguson Super 90. Look at the friggin' size difference there. Just makes that one look like a garden tractor. Now, I still have lots of love for the old David Brown, and it still has its place here for sure. But just look at the size difference. Now, I'm a tall guy. I'm about 6'2", 6'3", with my boots on even. But I could definitely hide behind this thing. I am excited. So anyway, here's the new idea round baler I got. It makes 4x5 round bales, which is fine for us. I'm told it's in good shape, running order. Came with a couple rolls of twine in it, so that's a bonus as well. So I'll probably park the old Massey for tonight, and then maybe in a day or two here we'll come down and we'll hook onto the round baler and make sure it functions. And yeah, we'll go from here. Well, old Victor got excited when I told him we were going to hook onto the round baler and see if it operated, so he just ran right over like a little kid and jumped up on the big old tractor. So we'll let him have this one. But anyways, we're going to get him hooked on and we'll see if the round baler operates. hooked up and going now. It seems to be looking all right so far. All right, let's see if the hydraulics work to open the back gate. Well, that works well, it opens it up. And this is it opened up, where all the magic happens inside there. But yeah. Anyways, we're gonna close that back up. I'm gonna take it over and park it with the rest of the haying equipment for now. And then I'll get someone that knows more about this than I do to come and explain to me how to run the round baler properly and things before I just try to do it myself and break something or jam it up or something. So anyways, yeah, I'll learn about that later on in the year. All right, we got it parked here. We'll unhook it here for now, and this is where it can sit till about the time we need it. We'll go through it. Like I said, I'll have somebody who knows more than me go through it. We'll make sure everything's working as it should. I'll get a crash course on how to operate it safely and properly. And yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.